junk. Well, Uncle's done using this truck. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold right now, but Uncle's done with the truck, so time to take her back to the farm and put it where it was before, parked. But it's been negative temperatures. It's below freezing lately. Oil's good. Not surprised. Antifreeze. I want to check the antifreeze. Make sure it's not frozen. Oh, Jesus. Make sure it has some too. Ooh. Rusty, but good. It's not frozen. Okay. That's all I need to check. See if you guys. Okay, here we go. Hopefully she has charge. Okay, she's running. Cranked for quite a bit there. It's kind of scary, but gotta get my stuff because the van is gonna stay here overnight. So, don't you just love the diesel? Smell the diesel exhaust at the end of the day, and in the morning, and throughout the day. But anyways. Building there. Better. Bit of an exhaust leak. Do these back up. Non-turbo, so fun to put True Dual on just for shits and giggles because loud exhaust makes me happy. And lights, I don't think many of those work. Well, that one works. Okay, just come to the stop sign. That's our high-tech PTO lever. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay, hang on here. Okay, we're gonna start off with low. Okay, there's no water out. Then you have to go in the enter. Shaky, it's hard to steer with the knee and camera in one hand and shifting with the other. It's quite interesting. much now. See, it's getting dark. Got no lights except for that one and that turn signal. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna pick up some bounce dryer sheets, throw them all over in here because that keeps the mice out, and I'll get them out. Yeah, otherwise we've been fucking hammered down for the past, I don't know, half hour I guess. Anyways, hopefully we make it back before dark. Okay, we made it with that light back there. Turn. Where is it here? This light worked. Both of those work. That one works, thank God. And that one works. Yeah, well, right on that one worked too. So it's a mismatch. But I forget which one it was. One of these worked. I guess none worked. But anyways, we made it to the farm. We're gonna shut it down, and that's it for the night.